There is essentially a war going on in our nervous system from the overuse of yang doing at the expense of yin non-doing. The nervous system is the part of an animal's body that coordinates its voluntary and involuntary actions and also transmits signals to and from different parts of its body. In vertebrate species, such as human beings, the nervous system contains two parts: the central nervous system, CNS, and the peripheral nervous system, PNS. The central nervous system contains the brain and spinal cord, while the peripheral nervous system consists of mainly nerves, which are enclosed bundles of long fibers, and axons, which are long, slender projections of nerve cells that conduct electrical impulses away from the neuron cell body. These nerves and axons connect the CNS to every other part of the body. The PNS is in turn divided into the somatic nervous system, SONS, and the autonomic nervous system, ANS. The ANS is our central focus when we are doing psychological or spiritual inner work and transformation. It is a control system that largely acts unconsciously and regulates bodily functions such as heart rate, respiratory rate, digestion, pupillary response, urination, and sexual arousal. The ANS in turn has two branches: the sympathetic nervous system, SNS, and the parasympathetic nervous system, PSNS. The SNS is sometimes considered the fight or flight system because in emergencies it is activated to mobilize energy. It is what is activated when we are in motion and are being stimulated through our senses. Without it, we could not do anything. The PSNS, on the other hand, is activated when we are in a relaxed state. We activate it when we essentially do nothing. The PSNS is also responsible for stimulation of rest and digest and feed and breed activities that occur when the body is at rest, especially after eating, including sexual arousal, lacrimation, tears, salivation, urination, digestion, and defecation. The PSNS is what makes us drift off to sleep every night. It is stimulated most when we relax deeply. The war in our nervous system is essentially the overstimulation of the SNS along with an understimulation of the PSNS. When we stimulate only the former without activating the latter, we increase the probability of chemical imbalances in our brain. Cultivating yin activates the PSNS, leading to equanimity. Fasting the mind, then, not only transforms and heals the individual, but also our culture. Cultivating the cool of yin in the mind and body reduces the yang heat of our world piece by piece. It is not an overnight phenomenon, but rather a gradual process. You realize how addicted you are to distraction, and you understand that it will take time to heal it through fasting the mind. It is the same long and arduous process for the collective. Cultivating yin and fasting the mind are both essential for understanding the effortless mind of wu-wei, which is enlightened consciousness.